What?
Seen Mercedes?
No, isn't that your girl? Shouldn't you know where she is?
I don't got time for your bullshit right now. I haven't seen her in a few days. Do you know where she is? Yes or no?
Oh, you don't say. Shamar Jackson.
I know. I'm sorry.
Where the hell have you been? I've been trying to call you.
Who's that?
Oh, it's my mom.
Why don't you pick it up?
If it's important, she'll leave a message.
Okay, well, can I have a hug since I don't see you anymore?
Okay. Alright, we'll take a shot.
Okay.
No, it's not a good look and some self-control. Deep down I know this never works, but you can